Mumbai, which continues to remain on edge due to incessant rains for over 30 hours, was hit by a high tide late last night. The authorities have issued a warning asking residents to stay away from areas near the beaches. As per the Met Department's forecast, heavy to very heavy rainfall may occur in some areas of the city and its suburbs in the next 48 hours. Yesterday, Mumbai came to a standstill with over 30 hours of rain severely affecting road, rail and air traffic. Lakhs of Delhi commuters had to face a harrowing time due to the rains. The Mumbai city recorded 283 mm rainfall, while the suburbs averaged at 209 mm. 2 people lost their lives due to electrocution. Several parts of Mumbai are waterlogged, with areas like Kurla, Sion, Matunga, Hind Mata, Jogeshwari and Andheri being the worst affected. Meanwhile, personnel of the NDRF, Territorial Army, Mumbai Police, Fire Brigade and other agencies apart from the Indian Navy ships and helicopters are on standby to take on any emergency.
देखिए, सुबह से एडवाइजरीज हमने दी हुई है, लोगों को कहा है कि कम से कम बाहर निकले, अनावश्यक हो तो बाहर नहीं निकले। लोगों ने भी उसका पालन किया है, इसलिए आज ट्रैफिक आपको थोड़ा कम दिखाई पड़ता है। लोकल की कुछ समस्याएं हैं, कुछ लोकल्स चालू है, कुछ शुरू नहीं हो पाई है, लेकिन वो भी शुरू करने का प्रयास रेल प्रशासन की ओर से चल रहा है और हमारी ओर से लगातार एडवाइजरीज दी जा रही है। वाटर पंपिंग करने की कोशिश हो रही है।
बारिश जून में होती नहीं है, 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल का ये रिकॉर्ड होगा। इतनी भारी वर्षा होने के बाद अगर कुछ होता है तो निश्चित रूप में मैं कहता हूं कि म्युनिसिपैलिटी तो अपना काम करेगी, लेकिन जनता भी आगे आकर सहकार्य करेगी। अभी मैं किसी के ऊपर दोष नहीं देना चाहूंगा, इससे हम बाहर आएंगे और बाद में बात करेंगे।
I want to cut across to my colleagues. Vidya is reporting live from Andheri, while Mustafa, my colleague, joins us from Girgaon Chowpatty in Mumbai. Incessant rains have been, of course, witnessed over the last 30 hours, but what we are expecting in the next 48 hours could be worse. But right now, there is little rain. I want to get a confirmation from Vidya. Vidya, what is the Met Department saying right now? The next 48 hours clearly crucial.
Well, certainly Mumbai will be seeing incessant rains for the next couple of days, is what the meteorological department has been saying. But right behind me is the Kalina area of Mumbai, where yesterday was totally water soaked. This entire area was filled with water. There was almost nil traffic on this road, even though this is the arterial road of Mumbai. But as of now, today, it has been drizzling since morning. Not too much of heavy rain. It was raining quite heavily in the night, but however, it's not been raining too heavily since morning. And the traffic has been restored across Mumbai today.
You know, Vidya, not to sound...
the area where I'm standing.
You know, Vidya, not to sound alarmist, right before we go to Mustafa, how different is the situation right now from the 2006 deluge that we had seen in Mumbai?
Well, 2006 deluge that had completely paralyzed the city. It was not just for one day; it was for quite a few days that we had seen. Certainly, Mumbai was better prepared today. Yesterday there was not too much of people getting problematic with the fact that some particular areas were totally inundated for quite a number of hours. Yesterday we had seen, as Preeti was saying, that this particular area in Kalina, this was soaked for till 7 or 8 in the evening. But post that, the water had receded. Everyone could, breathe a sigh of relief. They could sleep in the night without any problem. However, on 2006, this was not the scene. 2006, the water was stagnant for quite a few number of hours. Number of days, in fact, and it had taken the rescue operations, since it had taken everyone by surprise, the rescue operations also were quite delayed.
Well, you're right there. The reason why Vidya can say that is because she reported in 2006 as well, and now once again. But things much better prepared. The city is this time around, especially where the drainage is concerned. Want to cut across to Mustafa, who's at Girgaon Chowpatty. Mustafa, what kind of reactions are you getting in from people around you? Are they scared, apprehensive? Because it is, every time the rains come down, the city comes to a standstill, especially with rail traffic, the locals not working.
Absolutely, but today Mumbaikars have moved out of their house because there has been news that the railway lines have been working. Since yesterday the railway line was not working. Currently I am at Elphiston Road and I would like to show you that there is some waterlogging at the Elphiston Bridge, but it is not what it used to be yesterday. And there are people who have moved out of their house and they are going to their work. I have one such person with me. सर बताइए कब से घर से बाहर निकले हैं? ट्रेन सर्विसेज चल रही है?
मैं सुबह से निकला हूँ 8 बजे। हार्बर लाइंस में मैं स्टेशन पे खड़ा था शिवड़ी के, लेकिन वहाँ पे 1 घंटा खड़ा रहने के बावजूद भी ट्रेन नहीं आई है। तो मैंने ये सोच के इस तरफ से घाटकोपर जाने के लिए यहाँ आया, लेकिन परेल में इतना पानी है। मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि आगे मेरा क्या होगा, आगे मैं जा सकता हूँ या नहीं है, ये मुझे खुद को पता नहीं है। बस इतना मैं बता सकता हूँ।
People are somehow trying to get back to their work, and Mumbai, they say it's getting back to normal, but
Okay.
there are still areas
So,
where
Mustafa,
there is
we
water,
can
low-lying
say-
areas where there is water.
We
logging,
can say
and it's still raining.
if the rain abates for a while, we will see the city limping back to normalcy right now.
Sure, but there is also a high tide expected at around 3:10. So if there is heavy rainfall, as the weather department has predicted, and there will be a high tide, then the problems can be like yesterday, and there will be again waterlogging, and Mumbai can come to a
All
standstill.
right, so it's a wait and watch situation, and we are going to keep going across to both Mustafa and Vidya, who are reporting on the story. As Mustafa pointed out, and high tide expected at about 3 p.m. We'll have our eyes peeled on that and getting our viewers the very latest. But things clearly very different, under control. The city better equipped than what it was. I remember I was stuck in office for 3 days continuously, when it was 2006 when the deluge came to Mumbai.